Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to post on Facebook with specific friends. Sometimes we post on Facebook. Whenever we post on Facebook, our post can see everyone, and specifically our post can see my friends. But right now I will show you how you can share your post with only specific friends. Suppose you select one or two friends, so whenever you post something on your Facebook, only your 2 or 3 friends can see it. Other people won't see your post. It's really interesting. Even they will not get any kind of notification. So before going to the process, I will ask you something, guys. If you're new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. First of all, I'm gonna write a post here for showing you. This is my post. Hey, how do you feel when you are alone? So it's my post. Right now I will share it. At the top of the side you can find here public option. So if you just click on post option, then your post will be shared with public, but right now I am going to do it with specific friends. So just click on public. Then you will find here at the middle of the side friend, exception, friends, only me, and see more. Then you can find here specific friends, this one. If you use this Facebook, then you can find here fourth 1 2 3 4 specific friends. So just click on specific friends, then select your friends. So I'm going to select my friends. Suppose I'm going to share this post only 5 people or only 5 friends. This post will see only 5 friends. Then click on, at the top of the side you can find here done option. So just click on done. Whenever I click on done, then you can find here that is who can see your post. You can see here that is about 6 people can see your post. Then you can find here that is done option. So just click on done. Right now click on post. You can see that is your post has been published, but only 6 people can see it.